What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, man. I'm back real quick. I'm gonna drop a short video. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm in between right now, but one thing for sure, I've been coming up with some heat. I've been putting down some numbers, and I've been staying at it. So today we got unboxing. I did my first trade online. I just got it. Like, I literally just got home. I saw it. Pulled my phone out. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's open up the box. I'm overly excited. I'm super excited. I can't tell you how much. Shout out to O'Neal who got this to me. We made a trade off of a Facebook group and one of the Tamaya groups. This is my first time, so both of us were very skeptical. He was like, yo, you ship it. And I'm like, nah, you ship it. And he like, yo, you ship it. And I'm like, nah, you ship it first. But we both hit it at the same time, so let's stop the chat and let's get straight to it. Bam! There we go. We got us a box. Let's go ahead and open it up. On the front side, it's a glass fragile. Okay, so my dog took extra security to make sure that they didn't shake this joker around. And you know what? I'm gonna apologize to you because I did not do that to yours, but I live and I learn. And if I ever do it again, I will make sure to put fragile on your box because I appreciate what you did for me. Alright, say, he also wrote on here, do not shake. Do not use blades. But we good with the blade because we're a barber, so yeah, man, we good with the blade. That's what we did. For insurance purposes, I did not use a blade. This is not a blade. I'll take my shades off of this. Y'all already see what this is right here. Y'all already see this. Listen, I'm finna tell you the truth. I seen this on eBay, but I can't afford it. I can't afford it, man. I tried to bid on it. I got outbid it, man. Whatever. It's all good. But hey, listen, we got one though. We got one. Oh, wee. That's him. That's him. I ain't gonna do it. I'm telling y'all right now, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not going to run this car. So, if you see it now, you see it. That's it. I ain't running anything. You never know what I'm putting them on, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Yeah. I ain't got to say nothing. You can read. You. Man, listen. Like, share, subscribe. Listen. I'm out of here, dog. Straight. I appreciate y'all for checking this out. Please like, share, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna be right here. I also got a 3D printer. I tried to upload a video on it, but I'm telling you, I've been hella busy. Holiday season and all that. And I've really been racing. So please bear with me. I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm gonna get with y'all.